What if you could make money every time you clicked a mouse? What if you discovered a way to multiply that modest sum by a large one with only one click? You can genuinely generate an unlimited amount of money by utilizing your phone or computer in comparison to other people. This groundbreaking technique is entirely free and accessible everywhere in the world, so you don't need any specialized technology, knowledge, or abilities to get started. You also won't need to produce any films or websites, and you don't need any social media followers either. Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Imagine being able to support yourself by using only basic online money-making strategies. With that financial independence, you may take care of your needs, wants, and any other material possessions you desire, such as a home, a car, or whatever you decide to have. If you are financially free, you can support your family by paying the bills, your child's tuition, and any other expenses that arise due to this straightforward process now. So stay tuned to the very end to learn this tactic. Go to entireweb.com to get started. Despite the fact that Google is identical to the rest of the internet, they are still a young company, so they are willing to compensate anyone who can drive clicks to this website. To increase traffic to their website and increase revenue, they are aiming to persuade more people to click on it. On their homepage, there is a 3-line icon that you can click to access affiliates. When you get to this page, you will notice the phrase, "Earn up to this amount for every click." It already sounds easy enough, right? I'm also going to share some advice with you on how to maximize this earning potential and eventually convert it into something passive because I'm feeling kind today. As you can see, you will be compensated for each click that you generate on this platform. To be clear, anyone can use this method no matter where they are in the world. It is essential to have a PayPal account, since once the procedures are through, you can use PayPal to cash out your money. We pay our affiliates using PayPal in accordance with the platform, and all earnings are paid at the end of each month for the previous month. This is the minimum payout, and all payments are made in US dollars. All you need to do to get started is type in your PayPal email address. To pique your attention, let me tell you that this platform serves the same purposes as Google's search engine. You can use this website to conduct any kind of search you desire. Any topic or term you want to read about or research can be entered into these platforms, and they will return the most relevant and accurate articles or documentation. You will be taken to this page, which will show all of the search results connected to the topic or term you just input. If I type in money making as an example, using this technique, we may promote the website, or in their terms, an affiliate, and assist them in achieving their goal of earning visitors' confidence so that you can easily make a lot of money. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please leave a comment below. Let's return to the video now. Simply said, you can earn a substantial sum of money by referring someone to try out the platform, and that only applies to one individual. What if you had a positive impact on hundreds or thousands of search engine users? That essentially means you will receive a sizable chunk of money. Let's begin by registering. Click this button right here to do it. After clicking, you'll be taken to this page where you can fill out the required information for the registration to be processed, including the specifics required here. Just make sure you have a PayPal account of your own so you can receive payment. You can spread the word about this search engine to start working hard and making money. After providing all of the necessary information, you just need to read their terms and conditions, and if you agree, click this button to finish the registration process. They also provide various payment options. When you sign up, you'll be directed to your own dashboard. But before you can do anything more, you have to secure your exclusive link, which you'll advertise online to make money and send clickers to the entire web to advance. Additionally, we'll need a little script that you can use to promote your special link. So open Google Docs and create a blank page where you can write a copy that will encourage visitors to click your link. Another choice is to perform a Google search for a pre-written script. But if you have the time, you should just write your own. Imagine that the minimal work you put into writing the script will soon pay off handsomely. Once your script is complete in Google Docs, you may download it in PDF format by clicking this button. We'll then go on to our next platform, slideshare.net, where we'll publish our final script article and include a link. With millions of views every day from users worldwide, this platform is absurd. It's a traffic source that enables you to freely promote any link to thousands of people each day. Create an account by clicking this button right here to get started. Select the file you want to promote next and then give it a title that will encourage people to click on it. After filling out all the necessary information, all you have to do is click this button to publish your article and script. All that's left to do now is wait for the clickers and internet cash to start coming in. Overall, everyone benefits from this circumstance. The web gains more users, or clickers, and each clicker is free to conduct their own searches. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.